FLUENCE EB2 make every journey effortless and fun. Powerful motor drive system, smooth cruising on any terrain. For AV18, 2Ah battery, ultra-long riding endurance. With seamless gear shifting, riding has never been so easy. 20 inches x 4.0 pneumatic tires tackle the road with confidence. Long range, 52 to 58 km pure electric, 90 to 100 km power. FLUENCE EB2 adjustable front suspension, making riding more fun and comfortable. Hydraulic brakes deliver safe, responsive stopping power. Max load 330 pounds with extended saddle and passenger footrest. Give you comfort, experience, and fun.